àbí ohun àdúrà lélẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
má jẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa o bàbá rere. Evergreen.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Evergreen song. Ohun tí ó pa wá lẹ́kùn o ní 2017. Má jẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa o bàbá rere. Ẹ̀yà dọ̀mtì. Àdúrà lélẹ̀ yóò jẹ́ serious.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ogun rájú jẹ rájú mo má má jẹ́ kó jẹ́ ti tàwa àlàáfíà pípé ni a fẹ́ fi ta wá lọ́rẹ. Jẹ́ àrílò bàbá wa ṣe wá lógo. Má jẹ́ tàràkà lọ́dún tuntun dábọ̀. Ìjọba wọ́ọ̀dẹ̀. Dábọ̀ Ọlọ́run mi dábọ̀. Mama jẹ́ kó fire tàwa ṣàpínlẹ̀. Mama jẹ́ kó rọ̀ wá já sófo lọ́dọ̀ rẹ bàbá. Ẹ jẹ́ ra wọ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ sọ́lódùmarè. Kí ló kọ́ mọ́ ìwà yìí?
Mọ́mí fashion yìí nìyẹn.
Evergreen song.
CAC ni ti ìlú Ìbàdàn. Wọ́n ti bí ẹ̀ ń gbà.
Wọ́n ìbí mi tán ti pẹ́.
Kọ́ ti pẹ́
Má jẹ́ ká
ó ti pẹ́ gan.
Má jẹ́ ká jà lẹ́nu.
Kò sí jà.
Yá ká dẹ̀ sọ́dí.
Irú àníṣọ́ di ẹ̀mí mi sọ̀kalẹ̀.
Bàbá ẹlẹ́rù ni ìwà súre fún wa. Àní ká rọ́nà gbégbá lọ́dún tó wọlé. Bàbá ẹlẹ́rù ni ìwà súre fún wa. Àní ká rọ́nà gbégbá lọ́dún tó wọlé. Tù wọ́n nínú, Olúwarun tù wọ́n nínú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, àwọn tí kò rọ́nà gbégbá tù wọ́n nínú Olúwa. Olúwa rẹ̀ wọ́n lẹ́kún o. Àwọn tó dàbí ìyá náà rọ̀ wọ́n lẹ́kún o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ọdọọdún làárọ̀ orógbó, ọdọọdún làárọ̀ òòṣà, kọ́dún kò sàn wá sówó. Ọmọ lyrics ẹ̀ ní ìkálẹ̀ ìwọ àtijọ́. Parí bá ti ṣe, kọ́dún yàbọ̀ kọ́rọ́nà gbégbá. Àní ká má tọrọ jẹ, àní ká má tọrọ mu. Ká má làkísà kẹ́yìn aṣọ bàbá gbọ́ tiwa. Ká má ṣe rógun ẹjọ́, báwa ṣẹ́gun àìsàn. Ogun àṣẹdànù, ogun àkóbá wa báwa ṣẹ́gun.
4 ní 2017.
Mo mọ̀ pé ká ló mọ lyrics yẹn wá sí máa bẹ́ẹ̀
Màá ti máa bẹ́ẹ̀bi àwọn tó bẹ́ẹ̀.
Bàbá fi ta wá lọ́rẹ. Ohun tí ó pa wá lẹ́kùn o nínú ọdún. Má jẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa ò takọtabo. Ẹja a lè pè lẹ́ni. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yín, ètò wa, ètò gbogbo ọmọdé, ètò àgbàlagbà, ètò oyún inú, ètò abilékọ, ètò gbogbogbò. Mùtúmùwà nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olúwatósìn ọmọ Ọlákanyè. Méjì ọtúnlọ́ka ọmọ Lísà mẹ́sàn-án, ọmọ Lísà jígbégbá jẹ́ ọmọ Lísà jígbé ọ̀gbọ̀lọ́sì ká ṣe dìnnà gbádà tèmi ò kó tó. Dantí.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome once again to another live transmission of Faji Unlimited. We'd like to welcome you and we'd like to say a big thank you and appreciate God for making it possible for us to see the end of the year.
2016.
This is the last Saturday in the month of December in the year 2016. My name is Olaniyi Thompson Tabi. You're welcome.
Oh.
No, don't worry about it.
Olaniyi Thompson Tabi lórúkọ tiẹ̀ ń jẹ́ tábìlẹ̀ kóòdù owó ṣòkòtò $1.
Ṣòkòtò gbọ́dọ̀ tí ń dọ́là ń sìn yín. Má jẹ́ kí wọ́n kú mi Frederick gbọ́.
Ok, wọ́n ní ṣòkòtò gbọ́dọ̀ tí ń $1 báyìí nínú ọdún tí à ń lọ láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Ire owó ire ọmọ ire àìkú baálẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yóò máa tẹ̀lé gbogbo wa. We have to say a big thank you to God Almighty for giving us another opportunity to be here today. We are so sorry àti àmọ̀ pé àwa sórí afẹ́fẹ́ lọ́sẹ̀ tó kọjá ní Christmas Day. Ẹ mọ́ bínú kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kówó pé entertainment ni we were so busy. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. Nínú ọdún tá a wá ń lọ yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fi ìyàn àtọpẹ́ ká máa fi ìyàn Olúwa lógo nítorí pé kí nítorí tí Olúwa ṣe nítorí tí àánú rẹ̀ dúró. Níbo ni bẹ́ẹ̀ sì yẹn tiẹ̀ wá tó? Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Olúwa nítorí tí ó ṣe nítorí tí àánú rẹ̀ dúró.
Ó wà ní òwe Sáàmù. Sáàmù orí kíwá ni ẹsẹ̀ wa kíwá ni à ń láti wá yẹn jáde.
We thank God Almighty. We thank you, our beautiful viewers, for staying tuned with us. We thank you for using your data. I'm a cookie easy.
Especially in Nigeria.
But we thank you for showing. All Fàájì Unlimited fans everywhere in the world, we want to say thank you for loving us. We love you so much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is the last day of the year 2016, and would like to know what are your New Year resolutions. Right from time immemorial, we've been having resolutions, and this is because of the fact that whenever we are going into the new year, most of us are always excited because it's a new year, it's a new time.
Yes.
And a lot of people make resolutions. Some people say I will never smoke again. After about 2 days into January, you see them going to smoke. Some people will say, look, I will no longer do this, I will no longer do that. But if you are our viewer out there, and you are a member of this wonderful Fàájì Unlimited crew, we'd like to know what are your New Year resolutions,
Yes.
or what is your New Year resolution.
I know we have a list of things we will actually want to do in 2017, but ẹ má jẹ́ ká tún gbàgbé wípé nínú ohunkóhun ká máa dúpẹ́. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run tó jẹ́ ká rí January, February all through the títí di ọjọ́ tó gbẹ̀yìn.
Ẹ̀ka January.
Àṣẹ rò pé mo mọ̀ January, February, March, April, May. Don't you stop.
January, February, March, April, May, June. Ó yá láti June yẹn.
June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Ọlọ́run ògo ṣàánú ayé mi.
Ọpẹ́ pàtàkì lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba 365 days no be joke. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba tó dá wa sí ti ẹbí tará, tó dá wa sí tọmọtọmọ. Dánsákì ọba mi òkè, àwa ọ̀rọ̀ ohun fáyọ̀ bí òṣì ọpẹ́. We want to say welcome to this exciting edition of Fàájì Unlimited. It promises to be interesting. Àmọ́ wípé
Supposed to be dope.
This is gonna mo be
má jẹ́ káwọn methadone clinic tó bá kọ́ dope. Àwọn rò pé gbogbo olóró ló ń sọ.
Over time, a máa ṣe New Year resolutions. Àwọn nǹkan tá a máa ń kọ́lẹ̀. Okay, this year 2017, I don't want to do this. I plan to achieve this. Over time, we used to do that. But ṣé o lérò pé kinní yẹn ó really máa work?
For some people, it might work, but the problem is the problem of habits. You know, when you have one habit on the other, and it's always very difficult. If you are not mentally ready,
Sure.
if you are not psychologically ready to effect a change or to make sure that your resolution comes to pass, you may just be joking. But if
it's not just about writing it down.
It's not just about writing it down, even though the Bible says you should write your visions down. But if you are mentally ready to make a change in your life, if you are mentally and psychologically in the right frame of mind to change situation will change.
True.
You understand? But when we make resolutions and we are not convinced of that resolution, of that new thing we want to do in the year, you'll be shocked that in another couple of weeks into the new year, you may not have the opportunity again for you to continue with that resolution. Then you, of course, you relapse. Like we say in the substance abuse world, you relapse. That means you're going back into what you have decided not to do again. So you must be ready. You must be ready mentally. You must have that psychological tune-up to say, look, I want to change. And I must effect that change. And in 2017, somebody is going to change out there.
All right, I know a couple of times I've written down some stuff. This year, I don't want to do this. I want to achieve this. But I say that over time, man, come to reality.
Sure.
Some of it, in fact, most of it doesn't come to reality.
Sure.
And it's not because we really don't want to achieve those things. But sometimes, you know, we do kinik on God disposes or something.
Man proposes.
Man proposes, but God disposes.
But you see, that is a lazy man's way out of situation.
But sometimes it doesn't go that way.
No. If you are a smoker, or if you are an alcoholic, or you are a illicit substance abuse user, and you want to say, look, I no longer want to do this. Why would you say you propose and God disposes? Why would God dispose something bad? Most times it's a lazy man's way out
But
of
sometimes you
situation.
give it a push and you just see that, okay, the push.
So does that mean now
doesn't
that God disposes
I
what
am
he
not
proposes?
pushing. No, I'm not saying that when you plan something, Ọlọ́run ló máa ń dà. Don't get me wrong. What I'm saying is, òótọ́ nígbà míì a máa ń sọ àwọn nǹkan pé, okay, I plan to do this, I plan to achieve this between this time and this time next year. I wish to do this. Tó yẹ pé kò bọ́ sí. Kì í ṣe wípé ọ̀lẹ ni wá, kì í ṣe pé bóyá kò mú wá láti inú ọkàn wa to give it a push. But sometimes things don't happen the way we plan it. It's not because we are lazy. It's not because I relax or whatever. It's just that maybe it is not the right time to achieve those things. But that doesn't mean we should not keep trying.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're still watching Faji Unlimited with the duo of Anyobinrin and of course Don T. Now we need you to tell us what are your resolutions, or what is your resolution for 2017. You have less than 12 hours, less than 11 hours to go. It depends on wherever you are all over the world. I know those ones in Nigeria are getting ready, about 6 hours to go. All right, so tell us, what do you want to see in 2017 by the special grace?
Okay, while we're waiting for that, let's enjoy this beautiful song from Larajo. We really need to acknowledge the goodness of the Lord in our lives, because kì í ṣe mímọ̀ ṣe, kì í ṣe ọgbọ́n orí, kì í ṣe pé a pé. It's been the grace of the Lord over our lives. So let us acknowledge him with this beautiful song from Larajo. Ọmọ eléyìí sì ń sáré nǹkan. Ṣé ṣe resolution fún yẹ yìí?
Kí ló dé mi ò ní sọ, a máa kọ́ lẹ́tà.
Tell us what is going to be your New Year resolution. Do you even think this thing actually works? Writing down something, making proposals like, okay, next year, 2017, I'm going to... Do you really think this thing is really worth it? How many New Year resolutions have you made? How many actually came to pass this year? Me? Don't see. Me, what's here? My camera, Abioye Olusegun, thanks for joining us. Sam Naija. Solo Kiss, thank you so much for joining us.
Solo Kiss, I heard you are leaving Chicago for Abuja. Chicago
from Abuja.
Chicago, Abuja. It's just a joke, I don't mind it.
Solo Kiss, tell me your New Year resolutions and tell me, did you actually make resolution for 2016, and how many of those resolutions actually came to pass?
Anyway, Solo Kiss is saying there that more money and more blessing and divine intervention
from Almighty God. All right, we want to thank you, Solo Kiss. Let us not forget
Mosun Wealth Emmanuel is online.
Only God that can make all our dreams come true. Mosun, how are you today?
I want Indianapolis. Indianapolis.
Did you actually make resolution for this year when you started?
Well, I made resolutions, not basically resolutions. I won't call it resolutions. I just itemize certain things I want God to do for me in the year 2016.
You wrote them down.
I did not write anything down.
Okay.
And I need to start learning how to write things down, because that's the
only way. That's the way
that's the way to go. It reminds you. But I just got everything mentally, and God helped me to work towards it. And I did not achieve it in the month of January, February, March, April, May, June, but things started happening positively in the month of September, my birth month. And
September?
Yes,
that's January,
the time, yeah. Things started happening positively. Those things I've been working towards, God started making them to come into manifestation, and I actually worked on myself. For this year, I want to work on myself so much.
But don't
yes.
January to September, that's a long time.
Well,
sometimes you make those plans and it doesn't.
But it's a dream. If you have plans, if it doesn't happen immediately, you don't need to lose up.
Do not give
up.
Come
on now, do not give up.
Yes.
Look, there are some of you out there that have given up over the years on your dreams. You don't need to give up. For example, I wish to be the first Nigerian national publisher in the US. And I started thinking about this since last year. I'm not giving up.
Even though it's not where you want it to be
at the moment, but I'm not giving up, because I know that it's a dream that it needs patience to work on.
That is the spirit we need to let our people have in the year 2017.
True.
Make plans. Sometimes it's good to write them down. When you wake up in the morning, you look at them and say, okay, I'm here to achieve this. It may not come true when you want it to be. By God's grace, everything will come true. But let us not give up on our dreams. Let us have the spirit of giving it a push. next year 2017 is going to be a wonderful year for everybody. Ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọpẹ́, and let us have the spirit of not giving up. Let us not give up on our dreams. Kò easy, don't it? Kéèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan láti January kó wá di September.
But if that is the way it goes, because there are certain times, there are certain issues that we push out there that we want to accomplish. Don't forget the divine intervention in our lives.
That's true.
Don't forget that when you set goals for yourself, maybe there's a divine intervention that says that at that point in time, that goal may not come to pass. Even when you work tirelessly towards it, even those ones that you think will come to pass early may not come to pass early. They might just come to pass later, and those ones that you were thinking of later might come early. But what is important is to set goals. Now, on the issue of resolution, those are, I've just talked about setting goals.
Okay.
Now let's talk about resolution. If you have a habit that you want to change, it's different from setting goals now that will happen in September.
Okay.
If my New Year resolution is to stop smoking, for example,
Okay.
that I'm a smoker, you need to be mentally ready, like I said earlier, for you to know that smoking is dangerous to your health. Smoking, you must first of all know the reason or reasons why you want to stop smoking. You must know the reasons why you want to stop being an alcoholic, taking liquor, for example. You must know the reason. Once you know the reason or reasons, then you push yourself hard, and you begin to know that once you continue to do this, it may injure or may create problem for you health-wise. Then you need to stop it.
True.
There's somebody on the line saying something.
Sensei R says, eat more of vegetables, so help me God. Oh, that's a
all right, then Sensei Arrow says, eat more of vegetables, so help me God. All right, well, you want to eat more vegetables? Go ahead and eat more vegetables.
Eat healthy, and that is one of the things we advise our viewers to do. Eat healthy.
Not eating after 5 or 6 o'clock like some people.
Go easy. Don't see
some people are always eating around 5, 6, 7, 8 p.m.
Sometimes you're on the road
and their tummy is like this. And they eat very foolish food. You are in America, you are eating all the American food, and it's not, you are not used to it. Be careful.
Let me tell you.
Be careful.
Oh my, is
so that diabetes will not be your portion. Colon cancer will not be your portion.
It's never going to be our portion. Next year, let us try and eat
healthy.
Healthy, go easy.
Eat our local food, efori roll.
For local food.
Yes, efori roll. Local food,
local food,
what are you saying?
You said it 2017. Make plans. Don't mind on it today. It's just been funny. Make plans and remember that it is only God. Ní ìgbò nǹkan tí a bá ń ṣe jẹ́ ká máa rántí pé Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè ṣe ohun gbogbo. Òun ló mọ gbogbo, òun ló sì lè ṣe ohun gbogbo. Let us commit everything in God's hands. And aside from committing everything in God's hands, let us make our plans like, let us make it plain. Let's write it down. When we have it written down and we see it often, it helps us, it inspires us, and we give it a push. Do not let down yourself. Do not give up on yourself. Only matter to happen, but always have this thing at the back of your mind that you can do it. Never say never. If you fail this year, it doesn't mean you're going to fail 2017. That is even the more reason why you should give it a push in 2017. If you plan to do something this year, I want to consider pé a ní láti gbé ṣe ní ọdún 2016. Tí o bóyá plan láti ra mọ́tò ni o, a plan láti kọ́lé ni o, we plan to have a lot of stuff.
Why don't we plan to affect the lives of other people? Somebody wrote today, my senior, Richard Akinola. He said the churches will be filled up tonight all over the world, especially in Nigeria, where I come from.
True.
And people will be praying, self. God, I want to buy motor. I want to change my car. I want to buy this business. I want to do that business. Why don't you pray for other people? Why don't you affect the lives of other people? I just wanted to
that's good. Yes,
what
it's one of those things we need to do next year. Aside, we should not be selfish about next year. Let's think about others. Fún gbogbo àwa tá a ní, fún gbogbo àwa tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó, ẹ jẹ́ ká rántí pé àwọn kan wà tí wọn ò tí ní. Let us lend a hand to other people. Ẹ jẹ́ ká, let's learn to share. Let's learn to love one another. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ìjà ní ìjà aṣọ. Let us walk in the light of God and have so much belief in our dreams. There is nothing you cannot achieve. achieve. Money achieve. There is nothing you cannot achieve.
When you-
Once you believe in yourself, the first step is believing in yourself. Believe in God, believe in yourself. Once you have belief in yourself, it is easy for you to achieve anything you set your mind to do. This year 2017, tá ń lọ láṣẹ Èdùmàrè, ọdún ayabo fún gbogbo wa. Àárí bá ti ṣe, àárọ̀ náà gbégbà. À lówó lọ́wọ́, à ṣe ní inú ọrọ̀, nínú àlàáfíà ara, ò ní gbé rohun gbé sọnù bí ò ṣe bí ọmọ. Láṣẹ Èdùmàrè bá ṣe wá ń lọ sínú ọdún tuntun, gbogbo ohun tí a lérò pa a fẹ́ ṣe, ọ̀run á gbà fún wa láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Pásítọ̀ Olúwatósìn ló ń kí. A ní a ò gbọdọ̀ má wà lórí ètò lónìí nítorí pé it's been a while. We promise you, we will try to maybe show you one or two stuffs about what is going on in the United States of America. But on the 1st of 2017, Lola, if you can come up online tomorrow, we'll try and do something. We welcome Tajuddin Sikiru. Owolabi Oluremi. Hi, Benita Jebose. Thank you for
joining. Benita.
Tell us what's your New Year resolution.
What is your New Year resolution to some? Fabian and Mom MD, you need to tell us what are the resolutions you've come up, or what are your goals? What are the goals you've set for yourself?
Yes.
Oluremi Adedoyin, are you going back to school? Tell us what you're going to be doing in the year 2017. Brother Tajuddin Sikiru Oye Owolabi, please tell us what are your plans for the year. Àwọn music ṣe ká balẹ̀ máa lọ díẹ̀ lórí ètò.
díẹ̀ a ní ká kan a gbọ́dọ̀ máa wà lónìí ni àbò wọn.
No, ṣáàtì ń lọ nìyẹn.
Ní pẹ́
ẹ bá play music. Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn sọ fún wa, what is your goal? What are the goals you set for yourself? Do you have resolutions?
You know, this year,
what are your aspirations?
There are some things I actually planned I was going to do but didn't really come to pass. It's not because...
Let us know about it. What are those things? Yes.
Of course, like one of it, I promised you I was going to release my album.
Yes.
Ironberry's album was supposed to be up for this
year 2016.
Those are the plans. Kì í ṣe pé bóyá laziness or ara nǹkan tí mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé or sometimes our blessing or àwọn kankan máa wà delayed. It's not because it's not going to come to pass. But I'm promising you by the special grace of God, Ironberry's album, The Sojourn, will be coming at you by the grace of God, the first quarter of Inshallah. By the grace of God, first quarter of 2017, láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Ara àwọn expectations stands on it. If you fail this year, make sure you don't fail next year.
All right, if you fail this year 2016, make sure you don't fail next year. You must try. You must push yourself. You must move a bit. You must struggle so that you can achieve. All right, let us quickly tell them what are the plans for Fàájì Unlimited in the year 2017.
Ẹ ṣá mọ̀ pé Fàájì Unlimited a ní Facebook page, and then we would love to roll from that page from next year. If you have not liked that page yet, please go to Fàájì Unlimited page. Like our page, and that's where we'll be kicking off by God's grace next year 2017 láṣẹ Èdùmàrè.
And equally by the special grace of God, Ayọ̀bìnrin mo fi owó àti ọmọ mo fi dá
láti ẹ̀fọ́mọdé owó yẹn wà, right?
All right, as from next year, by the special grace of God, we'll be giving out gifts on this program.
Sure.
There will be apart from Tammo segment where Ayọ̀bìrin will play one,
and Tammo segment will be coming back
by the grace of God next year. Where you have she will play the talking drum and you are expected to interpret it. We have some other areas, lineups where you can get a gift. We have a sponsor already.
Sure.
That every what's it called? Every time we're on air, someone somewhere is going to win something. We'll start with those ones that are in Miami or anywhere you are in the US. You can win tickets to go and watch movies as from next year, as from next Saturday by the special grace of God. Then we have the Owe segment. Ayọ̀bìrin will come up with one proverb, Owe especially, and you interpret it to us. You can call in or you can just interpret. Then you win a ticket to go and see a movie. Apart from that, We have gift cards that will be given out to people. We have clothing that will be given out to people. So these are the things that we're working on for next year. So you don't need to be anywhere. You need to stay with us.
Yes, catch you in 2017. Láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ o. Bá ṣe ń retí ọdún tuntun. Ẹ jẹ́ ká má mutí jù, ká má mutí àmupara.
Don't drink and drive. If you must drink, don't drink and drive. Do
not drive. Ẹ dákun.
Apart from DUI, don't go and die. In 2017,
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
we have how many hours to go? Naija, you have like less than 6 hours. So here we still have about 11 hours. Please, so.
Kí ọdún yìí tó parí, ẹ dákun ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ o, jẹ́jẹ́. We speak the peace of the Most High God into your homes, into your families, into everything you do, and we pray that 2017 yóò dára fún wa, yóò dára fún àwa. Atukọ̀ ètò Fàájì Unlimited. Yóò dára fún gbogbo wa,
àwọn everybody.
Good night, everybody. Dempsey.
Good night, okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. See you in 2017. Láṣẹ Èdùmàrè.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. We just had to come up because we know a lot of people have gone on holidays and a lot of things are happening. That's why I'm sure a lot of people are not here right now. Tó bá jẹ́ pé èbú ló ń bú ni àwọn èèyàn àti wá sórí online. Tó bá jẹ́ pé kíní kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bì kan sìn àwọn èèyàn wá online. But we thank God because we are positive and we remain positive minded. I'd like to use this medium to say happy birthday to Nefertiti Adunni.
Yes.
Adunni Nefertiti.
Happy birthday, sis. Long life and prosperity. Ìgbà ọdún báyìí ọdún kan ni láṣẹ Èdùmàrè.
I'd like to use this medium equally to thank so very much Alaja Eniola Ọkọ Ìyàwó in the beautiful city of Tampa Bay. Alaja, thank you very much, especially for what you have done onto one of our guests sometime last week this week until this morning. Thank you very much. Every lover, all lovers of Fàájì Unlimited will say we love you. 2017 will be great. Thank you very much. God bless you.
2017.
Play music and call us, okay.
All right, have a wonderful time. Any wonderful 2017. Dansa Kire. Bye everyone. Mo dansa Kire.